Okay, so what brought you into All That and More hair in Kia Styles today?
What I needed, or I should say my heart's desire, was to try to have a wig that looks similar to my pretty unusual, naturally curly, gray salt and pepper hair. I came in feeling pretty discouraged because I had gone to a couple wig shops and didn't see anything with textured hair or anything close to my color pattern. And Kia showed me a million different colors of hair, and I was just blown away. And you can see it in the final product here with all the different colors and pigments, which is so similar to my natural hair color and curl pattern that it's just amazing. It's like a miracle.
Yes, even her rooting, guys, you see the roots, and it looks like it's growing right from her scalp, no matter how close. So you would never know.
And a new little pep in my step.
Yes, yes. So how are you feeling?
I feel great.
Awesome,
Yes,
awesome.
yes.
And are you feeling all that and more?
I am feeling all that and more. Absolutely, 100%.
And would you refer any of your friends?
Absolutely, 100%.
Mission accomplished.